This is the Blackview XPLORE one of the boldest rugged smartphones on the market today. Blackview has delivered a true technological war machine, combining a massive 20,000 mAh battery, dual displays, powerful cameras, and even advanced AI features for everyday use. But is it just impressive on paper, or does it actually deliver a unique experience? Let's dive into the details and find out. As always, the purchase link with a promotional price is in the description and pinned comment. As expected from a phone in this category, the XPLORE One isn't afraid to be big. We're talking 638 grams and nearly 30 millimeters thick, a real brick in your pocket. It may look intimidating, but that's the price for extreme durability and a huge battery. It comes in black and orange and carries all the certifications you'd expect: IP68, IP69K, and military-grade certification. That means it's resistant to drops up to 1.5 meters, water immersion, dust, and even fire, with reinforced corners and sealed ports. This is the kind of phone built for extreme work environments or outdoor adventurers. Right off the bat, the XPLORE One stands out with its dual screens: a main 6.78-inch display and a 2.01-inch secondary rear display designed for quick access to notifications, music controls, or even the camera without waking up the main screen. Another standout feature is the dual 170-lumen LED flashlights with SOS mode and continuous lighting, far stronger than a standard LED flash. And to top it off, there's an infrared blaster, turning the phone into a remote control for your TV, air conditioner, and more. The main screen is a 6.78-inch FHD Plus IPS panel with a resolution of 1080 by 2460 and a 120 Hz refresh rate. Protection is handled by Corning Gorilla Glass 5, ensuring solid durability. It's not AMOLED, but for a rugged phone, the viewing experience is already very good, especially with the smoothness of 120 Hz. At its core, the XPLORE One is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7050, a 6nm mid-range chip clocked up to 2.4 GHz. It offers a good balance of performance and power efficiency. There are two configurations available: 12GB RAM plus 256GB or 16GB RAM plus 512GB, both expandable up to 2TB via microSD. It also packs an advanced cooling system with graphite, copper, and thermal silicone layers to avoid overheating during heavy gaming or demanding tasks. In practice, this is more than enough power for work, social media, multimedia, and even gaming. The XPLORE One comes out of the box with Android 15, running on DokeOS 4.2. The real highlight is its integrated AI features with Doke AI 2.0. It comes preloaded with 4 AI-powered apps: HiDoki for voice assistance, ImageX for photo editing, VidGen for text-to-video creation, Soundle for music composition. On top of that, it includes smart battery-saving algorithms, charging protection, and support for real-time voice commands. This is a package well above the average in the rugged phone market. The camera setup is another strong point. On the back, there's a 64-megapixel main sensor paired with a 20-megapixel night vision camera, perfect for dark environments. Up front, you'll find a 50-megapixel Samsung JN1 sensor, excellent for selfies and video calls. Video recording goes up to 4K at 30 frames per second, putting the XPLORE One on par with many premium mid-rangers. Of course, it's not meant to rival flagship photography phones, but for a rugged device, it's way above average. Now for the star of the show, the 20,000 mAh battery. That's simply insane, offering up to 1,008 hours of standby time or 84 hours of calls, according to Blackview. Charging is surprisingly fast for this size: 55 watts wired and 45 watts wireless via dock. It even supports 5-watt reverse charging, turning it into a power bank for other devices. This is the definition of extreme autonomy, perfect for long trips, expeditions, or anyone spending days without access to a power outlet. When it comes to connectivity, the XPLORE One is up to date. Dual 5G SIM support, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, 2 NFC, and full navigation with GPS, GLONASS, Beidou, Galileo, and QZSS. It also features glove mode, letting you use the screen even with thick gloves, plus a USB-C port with OTG support. The Blackview XPLORE One is officially available in black and orange. Prices vary depending on the store and configuration, but on AliExpress you can grab it for just $260. The link with this promotional price is right here in the description and pinned comment. So, what's the verdict on the Blackview XPLORE 1? It's definitely not for everyone. We're talking nearly 640 grams and a very bulky profile. But if you need insane battery life, extreme durability, and still want dual displays, built-in AI features, and capable cameras, this might just be the perfect companion for both work and adventure. The only real downsides are its size and weight, plus the lack of AMOLED. But in exchange, you get a complete and truly unique package. So, what do you think of the Blackview XPLORE 1? Is it the ultimate rugged phone or just too much? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more rugged smartphone reviews, and ring the bell. And of course, check out the links in the description and pinned comment for more details. See you next time.